Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a fundamental, yet often overlooked principle of filmmaking and video editing, the continuity of action. This is one of those secret sauce techniques that separates amateur videos from polished, professional-looking content. So what exactly is it? Simply put, it's the magic of making separate shots feel like one seamless, continuous movement. It keeps your audience locked in, preventing any jarring jumps that might pull them out of the experience you're creating. Let's imagine a simple scenario, someone walking through a door. You might film a wide shot of them approaching the door, then a medium shot of their hand on the doorknob, and finally a shot from inside the room as they walk in. The key to making this work is to ensure the action overlaps between shots. If your character's hand is just reaching for the knob in the wide shot, your next shot should start with the hand in that exact same position, just about to touch it. This overlap is crucial. It gives you flexibility in the edit room to find the perfect moment to cut, ensuring the motion flows uninterrupted. Think of it like a visual baton pass. One shot carries the action to a certain point, and the next shot picks it up from that exact point to continue the movement. Without this overlap, you get what we call a jump cut, where the subject seems to magically teleport from one position to another. While jump cuts can be used for stylistic effect, when you're aiming for smooth, invisible editing, they're the enemy. They break the illusion and can confuse the viewer. For example, if someone is raising a cup to their lips, you wouldn't cut from the cup being on the table directly to it being at their mouth. You need the in-between motion. So, how do you nail this on set? The best practice is to have your actor perform the entire action from start to finish, for each and every camera angle. If they're picking up a book, have them start with their hand down, reach for the book, pick it up and open it. Film that whole sequence in your wide shot, then your medium, then your close-up. This gives your editor all the material they need to create a seamless sequence. It ensures that the speed, posture and position of the actor are consistent across all angles. Trying to piece together an action that was performed differently in each take is an editor's nightmare. Let's look at another classic example. A character sitting down on a couch. In your wide shot, you see them walk towards the couch and begin to lower themselves. You could then cut to a medium shot starting just as their body is about to make contact with the cushion, and we see them settle in. The movement of sitting down is continuous across the cut. The viewer's brain fills in the tiny gap, and it feels completely natural. The action in the first shot motivates the cut to the second shot. This is the essence of continuity editing. Every cut has a purpose, and often that purpose is to follow the action. Mastering the continuity of action will elevate your videos to a new level. It's a subtle art that makes a huge impact on the viewing experience, making your storytelling more immersive and professional. So next time you're out shooting, think about the action. Plan your shots to overlap, direct your talent to perform the full motion every time, and you'll give yourself the power to create truly seamless edits. It takes a little extra thought during production, but the payoff in the final product is absolutely worth it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this tip helps you create even better videos. If you found this useful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more filmmaking and editing tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover. Until next time, keep creating,